we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of PuroShelt fifth wheel RV cover 20 to 23 feet. Consists of the following features. Perfectly fit. This travel trailer cover fits 20 to 23 feet, 276 inches, length, 102 inches, width, 120 inches, height, please measure before purchase. The measurement should not only measure the dimensions of the travel trailer, but should also include all external accessories such as ladders, spare tires, air conditioners, antennas, and more. If your measured size data is close to the edge of the size range, we recommend that you choose a slightly larger version of that. Anti-scratch and extra thick. Made with 7 layers of corner and 4 layers of top non-woven fabric. Increased UV resistance due to the elevated percentage of UV-resistant composite material provides maximum weather and damage protection from harmful UV rays, rain, snow, dirt, scratches and scuffs. Ventilation and visibility. There are 4 vents on both sides and a total of 2 vents in the front and rear to reduce wind pressure, while the rollable zipper door on one side allows ready access to the RV door and engine area for easy viewing and inspection of the interior. There are 6 reflective strips at the front and back to avoid collisions at night, and breathable material maximizes moisture evaporation under the lid for longer life. RV must-haves. RV accessories for travel trailers include 10 securing straps, 6 gutter covers, 4 tire covers, 2 repair patch, 1 storage bag. Convenient storage, and no space occupation. Convenient 5-door access. Featuring 5 zippered access panels, 2 on each side and 1 at the rear. This fifth wheel RV cover lets you easily access your RV doors, storage compartments, and rear area without removing the entire cover. Perfect for inspections, maintenance, and loading gear while keeping your RV protected. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.